asked for it, and we heard every single one of you. Since we dropped part 1 of the 5-minute morning facelift routine right here on Timeless Black Fashion, our comments have been flooded. Women from all over the world telling us they tried the routine, they felt the difference, they saw something shift, and then asking us one question over and over again. Queens, your wish is our command. Today, we are bringing you part 2, the full demonstration. No filters, no tricks, just honest, practical, and powerful instruction that you can follow along with in real time right in front of your own mirror. Stay with me until the very end, because in the final section, I am going to show you one small but critical detail that determines whether you see results or see nothing at all. Do not skip it. It changes everything. Now let us get into it. Before we start, let us talk about what you need, because preparation is half the battle. First, clean, freshly washed hands, non-negotiable. You are working close to your eyes and mouth, and clean hands protect your skin from bacteria and irritation. Second, a facial oil or light moisturizer applied to your face and neck before you begin. The oil creates a slip between your hands and your skin that allows every technique to glide properly without dragging. Dragging dry skin defeats the entire purpose and can actually worsen sagging over time. Any lightweight oil works, nothing expensive required. Third, a mirror, bathroom or vanity, so you can watch your own hand placement and match exactly what you see demonstrated today. And fourth, 5 uninterrupted minutes every morning, not 3 days a week, not when you remember, every morning, because consistency is the only thing that separates the women who see results from the women who see nothing. And the women of Timeless Black Fashion are women who see results. Step 1, the warm-up. Watch the hand placement carefully because it is more specific than it looks. Our demonstrator stands at her bathroom mirror, silver natural hinge softly, white silk robe. Her face shows real visible sagging, real jowling, a real double chin, real descended cheeks. This is the face we are working with, and this is the face that is going to transform. She dispenses 3 drops of facial oil onto her fingertips, warms the oil between her palms, and presses both hands across her sagging face and loose neck in gentle upward strokes. Now watch her hands. Both palms press completely flat against the sides of her neck, just below the ears. She begins the stroke. Both palms sweep simultaneously downward from below the ears all the way to the collarbone. Slow, deliberate, one continuous movement. Watch how the loose skin of her neck moves under the pressure. That is the lymphatic system being activated. That is fluid being guided downward and out of the face. She lifts her hands back to below the ears and repeats 10 times, each one slow, each one intentional. Do this with her right now. Palms just below the ears, sweep downward to the collarbone. 10 times. Feel the warmth that the movement generates. That warmth means it's working. 2. The cheek lift. And this is the step that is going to make you gasp the first time you try it in the mirror. Our demonstrator's cheeks are visibly sagging. The fat pads have descended well below the cheekbone line. Deep nasal labial folds run from her nose to the corners of her mouth. The lower half of her face looks heavier than the upper half. She raises both hands and places the pads of her index finger and middle finger directly onto the fallen apples of her cheeks. Watch where she places them. Not on the cheekbone, on the apple, that soft, heavy area that has descended below the cheekbone. Now watch the angle. She presses inward and simultaneously upward at 45 degrees toward the temples. And watch what happens. The descended, sagging cheek tissue lifts. It physically moves upward under her fingertips. For just a moment, you can see exactly where those cheeks belong. She holds for 3 full seconds. Releases. The cheeks settle back down, but the muscle has just received a signal. A directional memory is being created. 10 repetitions. Follow along with her right now. Now she forms a loose fist and uses the second knuckle of each index finger to glide slowly from the corner of the mouth upward along the cheekbone all the way to the temple. Watch the tissue move under the knuckle. Watch the circulation rise to the surface. 5 glides on each side. Your cheeks will feel warm when you finish. That warmth is exactly what you are looking for. Step 3. The jawline. And I already know the comments on this section are going to be everything. Look at our demonstrator. Heavy jowls hang visibly below the jawbone on both sides. A prominent double chin sits beneath the jaw. The boundary between her face and her neck has completely disappeared. Real, honest, and exactly what we are sculpting right now. Both thumbs slide underneath her chin, pressing firmly into the double chin tissue. Index fingers rest on top of the jawbone sandwiched between thumbs below and fingers above. Starting at the chin, she begins the glide. Both hands move simultaneously outward along the jaw with steady, firm pressure, traveling from the chin all the way to the earlobes in one long stroke. The hanging jowl tissue compresses and moves visibly under her fingers. 8 to 10 glides. Follow along right now. Thumbs beneath the chin, fingers on top of the jaw. Glide outward to the earlobes. Now she drops her chin gently toward her chest and begins the slow chin roll, rolling from center to the right shoulder, pausing, feeling the platysma muscle stretch beneath the double chin. Back through center to the left shoulder. 3 rolls each side. That muscle running from the collarbone to the jaw is being stretched and stimulated. When it tightens, it pulls the lower face and neck upward with it. Step 4. The eyes and brows. Pay very close attention here because the pressure in this step is completely different from every other step in this routine. Our demonstrator's brows have descended significantly, sitting heavily on top of her upper eyelids and creating a hooded appearance that makes her eyes look smaller and more tired. Prominent fluid-filled bags sit beneath her lower lids. She raises both ring fingers, not the index, not the middle, the ring fingers, because they naturally apply the lightest pressure and the eye area demands the lightest possible touch. She positions the very tips of both ring fingers at the inner corners of each eye and begins tapping, gently, rhythmically, moving along the orbital bone beneath the eye toward the outer corner, following the path of the under-eye bags, continuing above the eye along the brow bone, back to the inner corner, completing the full circle. 3 complete circles on each eye. Follow along right now using only your ring fingers, only the very tips, barely touching the skin. Now the brow lift. Both index fingers placed horizontally just above each descended brow. She presses upward with her fingers while simultaneously activating her brow muscles downward. Watch the subtle tremble of the muscle fighting against the upward pressure. That is an isometric exercise happening in real time on her face. 3 seconds, release. 5 repetitions. She finishes with 5 slow upward fingertip strokes from the brow to the hairline, guiding the skin in the direction it needs to go. 5. The neck and décolleté. And this is the step most women rush through or skip entirely. Do not be most women. She slowly tilts her head backward. The large, prominent double chin protrudes forward. Deep horizontal neck bands are carved across the front of her neck. Loose skin hangs on both sides, everything visible and honest in the warm bathroom light. From this position, she presses her tongue firmly against the roof of her mouth. Watch what happens directly beneath her double chin. The muscle layer beneath the soft, sagging tissue visibly engages and tightens. Hold for 5 seconds, release. The tissue relaxes back. Do this right now. Tilt your head back. Press your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Feel the engagement beneath your chin. That muscle you just felt is the submental muscle. Just worked it possibly for the first time in years. 8 repetitions. Now both palms press flat beneath the double chin and sweep simultaneously downward from the chin all the way to the collarbone. The loose neck skin moves visibly under each descending palm. 5 downward sweeps. She finishes with 5 slow upward strokes from the collarbone up along the loose sides of the neck all the way to the jaw. On the final stroke, she pauses. Both palms rest warm against her neck. She closes her eyes. A quiet smile crosses her face. She feels the warmth of circulation rising through her skin. She opens her eyes and looks at her reflection. Her jowls are still there. Her double chin is still there. One session does not erase all of that, but something in her eyes has completely shifted. She is no longer looking at her face with criticism. She is looking at it with intention, with investment, with the quiet, powerful knowledge that she showed up today and she will show up again tomorrow. Now, here is the detail I promised you at the beginning. Direction. Every single stroke, press, lift, and glide in this routine has one specific intentional direction, always upward or outward, never downward, never dragging inward toward the center of the face. When women do this routine incorrectly, they drag their skin in the wrong direction, they press downward, and they wonder why nothing changes. It is because they are helping gravity do its job instead of fighting back against it. Every cheek press goes upward at 45 degrees, every jawline glide goes outward toward the ear, neck stroke goes downward for drainage, then upward for lifting. Every brow stroke goes upward toward the hairline. The direction is never random. The direction is everything. Write this in your comments right now. Upward and outward. Say it. Own it. Take it into your mirror tomorrow morning. Queens, you now have everything you need. 2 weeks from today, your face will look less puffy. 4 weeks from today, your jawline will begin to feel more defined. 8 weeks from today, people will start asking you what you have been doing differently. And 6 months from today, you will look in that mirror and feel something you may not have felt in a very long time. Proud, not because your face stopped aging, but because you chose to honor it every single day with nothing but your hands, your intention, and 5 minutes of your morning. Aging is not the enemy, neglect is. And after today, neglect is no longer an option for you. If this video helped you, please give it a like right now. Share it with a woman who needs to see this, and subscribe to Timeless Black Fashion if you have not already, because we have so much more coming for you. Until next time, take care of that beautiful face, because it is completely, undeniably, magnificently worth it. Bye.